1968 Chevrolet Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, bright blue in color, a little metallic in it. 396 big block underneath that cowl induction hood. 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille. Power steering, power brakes. We'll pop the hood here in just a bit, let you see the engine bay started up. Be able to hear it run. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase of this vehicle. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Be able to see the underside of the car, interior, engine bay. There is some corrosion I noticed down in the lower portions of this, and you should be able to see that. Check it out in the undersides, just so you're aware of that. Vinyl interior, bucket seats up front, center console. The tech that looked at the car too mentioned that the fuel gauge is in op. Consignor of the vehicle said sell it the way it is, reflect it in the price. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear chrome. Yes, there's SS badging there, not representing this as an SS. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Trunk, engine bay, undersides. So we take a look down the driver's side here, and you see there's a little bit of bubbling here. Others down there, but if you're looking for a car, have a little fun driving, you like big blocks, take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, be a fun car for that. Take a little closer look at the interior here. Door panels. Black carpeting, black vinyl seats. See, looks like the seats are pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belts intact up front. How about the headliner? Headliner could use a little TLC. So you're aware of that. Go ahead and fire this up, see here it run. Aftermarket tag on the steering column. Looks like oil pressure gauge work. Went up when I started it. Top of the dash looks good. Looks like radio powers up. Find a station that comes in here. Should be coming up right there. Stereo works. A little rumble coming out of that big block. I'm going to slip up to the front, pop this hood, take a look at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Here's a look under the hood. Hood liner. Got some chrome dress up, engine valve covers, air cleaner cover, cowl, Edelbrock intake headers. I said power brakes earlier, sorry, power steering, no power brakes. So you're aware of that. Power steering, 396 big block, 4-speed. Like HDI ignition. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro with a Super Pro tack mounted to the column. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Technically the center console. This car makes a bit of noise. It's made to go fast, be loud. A temperature gauge down here is reading a quarter of the way up the gauge right now. Battery is reading right in the middle of the gauge. We have a fuel gauge in the dash and down below. They're both reading clear full. I couldn't vouch for whether that is correct. Oil pressure about 60 right now as we're cruising at 50 miles an hour. Speedometer working. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Very easy to steer. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats in this car. Nice cowl induction hood. Eye-catching blue paint. We do have a radio in the dash. Car corners as it should. It's actually pretty tight. Doesn't lean much in the corners. Turn signal indicators do not light up. Very fun cruiser. Great exhaust sound out of this Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures and read the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.